All right, you guys. So today, look at that. I'm at the Sacramento River and it rained. There's like nobody fishing, but I don't care, right? I got some night crawlers. I'm just gonna throw them out. If I catch something, you guys will see it. If I don't, then you won't see it. But look at this. Nice, right? Sacramento River. So I'm gonna go down this bad boy right here and try to catch some fish. Yeah, let's go down this way. Got the whole beach to myself. Look at that. Ta 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 ta. Looky, looky. All right, let's get set up. All right. Look at that. Ooh, you wanna go down, huh? How about coming this way? How about coming this way, sucker? Yeah, let me get closer. What do we got here, huh? What do we got? What do we got, huh? Oh shit, I'm gonna have to pull him through those weeds. Oh, it's a nice one too. What are you, bruh? Come on, you're not going nowhere. You're coming towards me. Come here. Come here. That's right, let's go through the weeds. There you go. There you go, let's go through the weeds. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Look at that sucker bend, you see it? Oh my gosh. There you go. Get closer. What do we got here? Come on. Right up in the weeds, huh? Just right there. There you go. There you go. Whew. There you go. Come on. Got a nice little striper there. Come on. Come to shore, baby. Well, look at this guy. Look at that. You guys see it? Not a beautiful looking fish. Look at that. Yes, sir. All right. Did you swallow it? Come on, let's bring you home. Look at this guy. Not a beautiful looking fish. All right. Well, you're muddy, but I got you. Look how big that sucker is. Look at that sucker. Isn't that beautiful? Got him off a night crawler too. Let me wash this guy up. Actually, let me get the hook out of his mouth. Oh my gosh. All right, look at this guy. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Look at that. I don't know how heavy it is, but it sure is a nice striper. Got him. All right, hey, no, don't do that. I'm gonna let you go back, all right? But I just wanted to get you. Thank you, and have a nice life, pal. Whee! There he goes. Shee-hee! Mondin skunk. Mondin skunk. So, that striper I just caught, I just got him off a night crawler. That was it. Just a night crawler, man. Put him on the hook, just a one hook like this. Come here, pal. Let's do it right. Don't embarrass me in front of the people. I'm here at Sacramento River. I got that sucker. Didn't skunk. I mean, I've been out here for about at least like what, 45 minutes. But I'm happy. So I put it out there. I just do it like this, all right? And I got little 3-ounce weight right there. And ironically, I got my extendo. This guy, I love this thing, man. Or not extendo, but what is it called? Like a telescopic thing that folds in. And I travel with this thing everywhere. And I always get lucky with this guy, man. I love this thing. But here we go. We're gonna throw it out there again. Love this guy. Cast it back out. I didn't cast it far neither, because I don't think they're out too far, you know. That's all I did. Released it a little bit. You see I got one right there. I got a 2-pull license. And that's all I did. Beautiful, yeah? Beautiful. Well, everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel. I appreciate it. Hey, you know what? Do me a favor. Why don't you guys go ahead and press that like, if you like it only, and subscribe. It'll help the channel out a lot. All right? Man, that was a beautiful day. Nice fish too. I like that a lot. All right, you guys, thank you for tuning in to Fishing and Shit. All right? We'll see you guys in the future, and take care. Hey, fish on, right? All right, we'll see you guys.